What do you eat? Give me a schedule. Match food.
Match food.
When you are like on a tournament में जब जाते हो तब tournament training के लिए कैसी diet होती है morning to night? What do you eat?
Tournament में it can मतलब it's not that strict because everywhere to find the right kind of food is a little bit difficult.
Preparation for it, like let's say you're preparing for Olympics.
So like everything is home cooked food. So like for example for Olympics, my mom, she also traveled so I was in Marseille training with my whole team 2 weeks before, so she was also there preparing like
meals.
The whole Indian food, and it makes a difference. Or ghar pe bhi, every time when I, right from waking up in the morning to my smoothies to eggs to again coming back from training, just eating on the right time ki just khatam karke aaya hu, I eat quickly, have my meals, my rice bowls with chicken, with fish and all those things, and at times some red meat as well. And then again having a nap, waking up again before training, having something to eat, something like oats or a smoothie again.
What smoothie do you drink?
Mostly fruits with like different kinds of fruits with apple, banana, kiwi, and then berries, blueberries, strawberries. And then there is again with almond milk, some nuts, and then some banana and all those.
The full heavy carbs and fiber meal.
Yeah, so that is my breakfast. Like I don't have heavy this thing, because when we wake up in the morning, we start training at 8:30. So around 7, I have a full glass of smoothie with 2-3 eggs, and that's my breakfast. And then so it's also light and gives me the energy to sustain next 2 hours of training. And then I'm back. I eat again by 11:45, 12. I have my lunch. Again something not very heavy. And then again before leaving for the session, a smoothie or a oatmeal, fruits again. And then evening when I'm back by 6:30, by 6:45, 7, I have my dinner, take a full heavy meal, and then I'm done for the day.
And do you indulge? Like, do you eat junk food?
Yeah.
You're okay. Cheat meals are there.
Cheat meals are there after tournament, and yeah, even when I was young, if I had an extra roti or extra bowl of rice or anything, it won't affect me so much, because I was always that kid who didn't eat well. I'll lose weight. So there was not a problem of gaining weight or anything. So for that, even if I had an extra piece of cake, it wouldn't affect me so much. But yeah, over time I've stopped all those things. And then once a while, maybe on a Sunday, or you are having an off week, you can have all those, everything you want. And
nice. So this way you're lucky. You've heard of Djokovic story? कि Djokovic ने जब वो championship जीते थे, I don't know which championship, but there was a championship he won, and he's like, अब मैं finally जीता हूँ, टाइटल जीता हूँ इतना बड़ा. उसके बाद वो अपने ड्रेसिंग रूम में जाते हैं, वो बैठते हैं शांति से, और फिर एक चॉकलेट बार निकालते हैं, उसको तोड़ते हैं, उसका एक बाइट, एंड देन ही कीप्स इट ऑन हिज टंग, एंड देन उसे मेल्ट होने देते हैं. एंड ही इज लाइक, वो मेरा सेलिब्रेशन था. मैंने इतने सालों से शक्कर या चॉकलेट जो मुझे बचपन से बहुत पसंद थी, टेस्ट ही नहीं करी थी, एंड एक पीस चॉकलेट का मैं खुद को रिवॉर्ड करा था आफ्टर विनिंग अ टूर्नामेंट आफ्टर ईयर्स. So that one chocolate bite was my celebration. He's like that strict with himself. So you're not that strict.
Yeah, I mean, in terms of having the right food, I want to have it. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक दिन में मैंने गलत खा लिया या सही खा लिया तो उससे हो जाएगा. But over time, if I have a good routine set, I'm good with that. And then there are times where you just want to enjoy a good meal.